How to disable Windows automatic updates on Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Run. In Run, type services.msc, then press on Enter or click on OK. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In this list, scroll all the way down till you find Windows Update. Right-click on Windows Update and then go to Properties. In here, you'll find Startup Type. In Startup Type, make sure you choose Disabled. After that, simply click on Apply and then press on OK. After that, you're good to go. That's how to disable Windows automatic updates on Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.